So we'll now see how to convert a hexadecimal number to a BCD number. So in order to convert a hexadecimal number to a BCD number, the first instruction is you load the address value into the HL register pair, then you clear the accumulator using XRAA, then which does XOR addition and clears the accumulator. And now we do is get the hexadecimal number into the C register. Now you are adding the accumulator 01 value to the accumulator as a part of the part 1 loop. Then you are performing BCD adjustment operation, that is, if the number goes greater than 9, then you are adjusting it to BCD. Then if carry exists, you are incrementing a register D, otherwise you are loop jumping to part 2. In part 2 you are decrementing the hexadecimal number by 1, and if it is not 0, again you are jumping to part 1 and adding 1 to accumulator and performing BCD adjustment again. Now once this condition becomes invalid, you move to the next instruction where you load the lower bit B value to the accumulator, that is, in case of a FF, if FF is the hexadecimal number, you move 55, that is the lower two LSB bits to LSD bits to accumulator, and you are masking them, that is, if 0F is performed, you obtained the answer in the accumulator now will be 05, and this value is stored to 4151. Now we are again moving B value to the accumulator. I'm sorry, in this case it's supposed to be move B comma A, and because the accumulator is going to contain the value in the BCD system, so it is move B comma A. Now ANIF will 0F will perform AND operation of accumulator value and 0F, so that will yield you 05 in case of our example, and that result is stored in address location 4151. Now again 55, which is being stored in B register, is moved to accumulator, and then F0 is performed. In this case you obtain 50 as an answer in accumulator. This 50 has to be made to 05, so for that we perform rotate through carry 4 times, which yields 05, and this 05 is being stored to the accumulator, stored in accumulator is moved to the address location 4152. Now the number 55 is moved to the accumulator once again and is being stored in a desired memory location, which is 4153, and we terminate the program. So we give our output here 0. In 4150 we give this FF, and we'll try executing the program. So our input is 4 in 4150, which is FF, and you see as repeated addition is being performed till the hexadecimal number goes to 0, and now we are doing masking operation in order to obtain the separate digits of the number 55, and our program has been executed successfully. So the result that should be there is in so once again trying execution, because the previous execution we had given the input as 2. I'm sorry. So in 4150 the input is FF, and so in 4151 you're supposed to get the output, desired outputs, and as you can see the looping operation is being performed, that is a repeated addition till the count value goes to 0. So in this case the C value is FF, which is the maximum in the 16-bit system, in the 8-bit system, and so this is a very long winding process. As you can see, the C register value has now only gone to 00 EC, sorry, and so R. You can actually see that the C value has now gone to E7. The accumulator value is 25 now, 26, and the B register value is 02. Actually we are not using B register, so B register value here is junk, and you can see that HL stores the value 4150, and probably if you want to take a smaller number, maybe 0f, maybe execution would be much simpler. So 0f. Now if you want to execute, the answer should be 15. So we'll check what our answer is. So you can actually see the C register being decremented each time, and accumulator is incremented by 1. So you can actually see that accumulator value was 0A, which was then the BCD adjusted to 10, and finally we get our decimal equivalent of 0f, which is nothing but 15, and this 15 we need to split, and we get is 01 and 05, and these 01, and you can see our output in 4151 is the LSD digit is 05, in 4152 it's the MSD digit which is 01, and 4153 is our answer, which is 15. So this is about BCD hexadecimal to BCD conversion. So